Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my entire package. I have a Shein order to share with you guys. It is almost Valentine's, which means heart-shaped, pink, anything girly, give it to me. Listen, Shein is addicting as it is, and then they drop a bunch of Valentine themed products. I'm gonna share with you what I got, so grab your cafecito or grab a glass of wine and let's jump right into it. All these products obviously are available on the Shein website. If you type in V-Day, you will have a list of Valentine's Day themed products, like literally whatever your heart desires. They have so many things, it's just unbelievable. So let's get right into it. Let's open the first little paquetito that we have here. P.S. This is a blind box that was sent to me from Shein. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So this is going to be a raw first impression of Valentine's Day themed products. The first thing we have here are stickers. These are auto adhesive, either, well, it says 3D nail art or face stickers. Look at how cute these are. This is perfect for Valentine's or really any day when you feel creative, want to create a really fun makeup look, and even has a little bit of inspiration on the back. With what I'm wearing right now, I feel like this would look so cute. Let's actually open it and try one. Like realistically, I'm not a pink. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so cute. That just elevated the look like 1,000 times. Oh, I lost one. Okay. That is so cute. Okay, I'm going to add a few more. It comes with some pearls. That is so cute. Okay, obviously the placement is a little janky, but you guys get the idea. Let's open this next package up. So this is the next item that I got. These are lashes, and these are actually really pretty. Like, I'm very picky with my lashes, but these look like wings, okay? And I am really into like longer lashes at the end right now. These are similar to that style where they have like that little wing at the end. I'll show you guys. They look really pretty and they're not crazy dramatic, so you can wear them during the day or you can wear them during the night if you're feeling, you know, a little cat eye moment. But these are super cute and it comes with a pink packaging. Let's see what's in here. Sounds like something is rattling in there. Maybe nails? Let's see. I was right. Oh my gosh, my niece has literally been wanting these nails. She was asking her mom to do her nails like this. She is going to die when she sees them. I'm gonna let her have these. These are so cute. So they're pink. They're French tip. It comes with two different styles. Well, yeah, two different styles. These have bows on them, and then these have little like pearls on them. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but these are so adorable. Let's move on to the next item. This one feels a little bit heavier. Okay, so here we have a body lotion. Let's open her up. I'm not familiar with this brand. It must be a Korean something brand. It is called the Marshmallow Beauty Body Lotion. Listen, I am all for body lotions. I love collecting them. I love having them. I have them pretty much everywhere around my house. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. You guys are not ready for this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest. I am in shock. How do they do this? So it's like gel around it and then it's like pink and white swirl. Get out of here. Okay, we have to smell this. And it comes with a little pump, pink of course. That is so cool. I am so shook. Oh my gosh, you guys. No, I was gonna, wow. The scent on this, for some reason, is literally taking me back to my childhood. It's not overpowering. It's like a very soft, feminine, almost like a rose scented lotion. And the packaging, you gotta buy it for the packaging, okay? Let's move on. I'm so excited. Okay. Here we have, let's see, this is Geeky Bear. I'm guessing this is some sort of like lip tint or lip oil. That is what it looks like. This is a heart shaped lipstick. That is so cute. I almost wish the packaging was pink, like that would make it a lot more Valentine's Day appropriate. But look at how cute that is. It's heart shaped and it's red. So let's go ahead and swatch. I'm not sure if this is a lip oil. Oh, that is so pretty. It's a lip glaze, which is honestly so in trend right now. So these are perfect. This is not a color that I gravitate towards. It's very much like a berry red, but it is really pretty and it's really like glossy. The packaging gets a 10 out of 10 for me though. That is so cute. Okay, let's move on to the next little package. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is a little eyeliner stamp, and I think it comes with either different shapes or with one shape. So obviously heart shape eyeliner stamper for Valentine's. Yep, I was right. It is a red heart-shaped stamper or stamping eyeliner. Let's do a few steps. Why is that so pigmented? Oh my goodness. I definitely gotta do a makeup look. Look at how pigmented that is. I gotta do a makeup look with this because that is way too adorable. Look at that. Let's do one right here. Little boop. Y'all, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, I had pretty low expectations. The fact that it's red, it's pigmented, and it's heart-shaped, yes, please give it to me. Adds to cart. Here we have another one. This one seems a little heavy. I think the lotion has been the heaviest out of them all though. Makeup stick. Okay, so here we have Hesse Beauty Love makeup stick. Not sure what this is. Suitable for all skin tones, smooth texture, and your cheeks will look like they're naturally glowing. Okay, so I'm guessing this is going to be some sort of blush. Yep, this is a little blush. We've seen this. This is so cute. We've seen this with I can't think of the name of the brand right now, but there is a brand that has like heart-shaped blushes. Let's see if it actually stamps it. Oh, it does. Look at that. That is so cute, and the color is actually really, really pretty. I think this is the last package. I'm gonna check because I had a few of them, so I believe this is the last package that we have here. No. You guys, look at this. Oh, I definitely need to do a makeup look with these. I did not know these existed. These are powder puffs. Duh, of course, Karina. We know that. How cute are these? So these are red shaped powder puffs. Okay, let me use some powder. I'm gonna take some on. I don't even want to get them dirty. I think I'm gonna keep maybe like one for aesthetics, but oh my gosh. I love this. I love this. And obviously you don't have to use these only for Valentine's Day. You can use them anytime you want. I am sold. If you are not sold at this point, I don't know what to tell you. You need to go onto Shein, search up V-Day, and all of these products are going to pop up. These are the perfect Valentine's Day gifts if you want to gift them to yourself, to your best friend, to a loved one, to whoever it is. These products are going to leave them shocked like me because honestly, I don't think there's anything that I wasn't impressed with. Everything was super cute, but actually functional and products that you will use. Like, look at these cute little stamps, these little gems, the lotion, like everything was a 10 out of 10. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Shein, for working with me in today's video. This was so much fun. I loved it. It was like so surprising because I did not know what was coming in the mail. So in the description box, shop for some items. Valentine's Day is around the corner and you don't have to break the bank. So with that said, you guys, I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you all in my next video.